What if I told you the iPhone 16e is actually worse than older iPhones that cost the same, or even less? For $599, Apple is selling you a phone with fewer features than a used iPhone 15 Pro. This might just be the worst deal of the year. Apple's latest iPhone is a half-baked upgrade with a price tag that makes 0 sense. If you're even thinking about buying the iPhone 16e, watch this first. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Design and display. The iPhone 16e finally gets a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, which is a significant improvement over the outdated 4.7-inch LCD. However, at $599, this upgrade should be expected rather than celebrated. Additionally, Apple has removed Touch ID in favor of Face ID. While not a major issue, it's not exactly a groundbreaking change either. Limited color choices. Apple has kept the color options minimal, offering only matte black and white. There are no vibrant or unique color choices, making the phone feel uninspired and lacking personality. It's clear that Apple didn't put much effort into making the 16e stand out. Camera limitations. The iPhone 16e is equipped with a 48-megapixel Fusion rear camera, which might sound impressive. However, it only has a single lens, no ultra-wide lens, no optical zoom, no telephoto lens. For the same price, a used iPhone 15 Pro offers a triple camera system, MagSafe, and Apple Intelligence, making it a far better deal. Price and value comparison. The last iPhone SE launched at $429, while the iPhone 16e starts at $599, a $170 increase. But what are you really getting for that extra cost? A larger screen and Face ID. There are better alternatives at this price point. Lack of key features. One of the biggest disappointments is the absence of MagSafe. For a $600 device in 2025, this omission is hard to understand. MagSafe has been a standard feature since the iPhone 12, so excluding it from the 16e makes little sense. Apple also promotes the addition of the action button, but in reality, it's just a button, nothing revolutionary. Build and battery life. The design of the iPhone 16e closely resembles the iPhone 14, featuring an aluminum frame and a glass back. However, it lacks the premium color-infused glass back of the standard iPhone 16. Battery life is advertised as 26 hours of video playback, which sounds impressive, until you consider the continued absence of MagSafe, which makes charging less convenient. Performance and connectivity. While the iPhone 16e comes with Apple's latest A18 chip and 8 GB of RAM, it's worth noting that the iPhone 15 Pro also runs on the same processor. Apple Intelligence is supported on both devices, so there's little advantage in choosing the 16e over a used 15 Pro. The new C1 5G modem is another letdown, as it only supports low-end 5G spectrum with no millimeter wave compatibility. Final verdict. For $599, the iPhone 16e offers a single camera, no MagSafe, no millimeter wave 5G, and very limited color choices. What do you think? Am I being too harsh? Or is this iPhone a major letdown? Let me know in the comments if you're still considering buying it, or if you'll be looking for a better deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Apple content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.